how to make a pie chart with percentages in Google Sheets. With our summarized table of national parks counted by age group, we have the data we need to create the pie chart. So click Insert Chart, and two things happen. First, the chart box shows up in the middle of the screen, but a chart editor also shows up on the right of the screen. The chart box is asking for a data series. In the chart editor, there is a data range field. Click on the little 4 square to the right of the data range, and another pop-up will launch. Use your mouse and select the data. You will notice that there are selected ranges below. But here you will notice that Google Sheets picked our range, age 4 to age 10 correctly. Now click OK, and we get a bar chart, but we want a pie chart. There are a lot of options in the editor. Click on Setup, and in the Suggested section, you see a pie chart available. We'll choose that one, but you could scroll down and find a couple more pie chart options. Look at the pie chart. Here you will see it labeled, the pie chart with each bucket, and the relative percent of the total, which is exactly what we wanted. But we can make it prettier. So, how can I design a pie chart in Google Sheets? Now that we have the pie chart, click on Customize. Here you will notice you can select the background color. Let's select black. But you can also move the chart and resize it. You can also select a border color. I'll choose red. I can also make the pie 3D, which I think looks better. But the black just doesn't work. So let's choose a blue. Here you will notice the numbers stand out better. You can also change each pie slice, like the colors of each slice of the pie. Distance from center moves the slice away from the main pie. The chart titles can also be adjusted, and there are edits you can make to the legend, like moving the pie slice names to the bottom, but I like them the way they were. To learn more Google Sheets, watch this video next.